tell you about my life right now. Empty wallet, empty fridge, but somehow I'm still out here, still surviving. Check it out. Well, I was browsing for some groceries, what's on sale, some fancy produce at the discount aisle. Too bad I didn't check my bank account first, cause now I'm walking out with ramen in a forced smile. Like, oh man, here we go again. Here we go, here we go. Oh, another day of struggling, my friend, struggling, yeah. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Saw those bills pile up so high, tried to budget but I'm way too crazy. Now instead of eating right, I'm rolling fat. My belt won't buckle and my roommate think it's whack. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Well, I was looking at apartments, which one's cheaper, studio downtown or a basement suite? Too bad my paycheck's looking real thin, cause now I'm crashing on my cousin couch again this week. Come on, man, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, another day of struggling, my friend, struggling, yeah. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Saw the rent was due last month, tried to hustle but I'm still real hazy. Now instead of living large, I'm rolling fat. My shoes got holes and all my homies giving flack. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Unlimited data or the basic text. Too bad I couldn't pay the bill on time. Now I'm borrowing Wi-Fi from the coffee shop. What's next? Oh man, here we go again. Here we go, here we go. Oh, another day of struggling, my friend, struggling, yeah. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Saw my service got cut off, tried to pay it but I'm feeling shady. Now instead of staying connected, I'm rolling fat. My phones are breaking, all my contacts can't hit back. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Well, I was planning for the weekend, where to go, a nice restaurant or a movie show. Too bad my bank account said insufficient funds. Now I'm Netflix and my mama's eating leftovers on the low. Oh, there we go again, here we go, here we go. Another day of struggling, my friend, struggling, yeah. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Saw my friends all living good, tried to keep up but I'm way too shady. Now instead of going out, I'm rolling fat. My social life is dead and even Tinder swipes me back. B-R-O-K-E, that spells broke, that's my middle name, baby. Struggle applies to my whole existence.